Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite an eventful day today on this one. Unfortunately, the price pulled back a little bit. Not the end of the world, because it's not like let me put it this way. Had the price done something like this where it pulled back, bounced, and then on the bounce or on the rollback over, just continue to roll back over and do something like that, I mean, that's a much different situation. So yeah, today was not the greatest of days, but given the the fact that it really could have rolled over and picked up that much more downside momentum, but didn't. I mean, that doesn't mean that for sure this thing's going back up to 15 cents, but I mean, it's certainly one of those little signs of power that suggests that what, maybe things aren't quite as bad as what maybe some people are potentially feeling right now. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 0.087 mark was an area of support, but with the price now breaking below it, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And that's actually what's already happened on several occasions. You can see a couple occasions right there, and then later on in the afternoon, once again, right there. So I'm not saying that 0.087 can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling up around that area. So you want to continue to watch that area very closely. In the event the price can push through 0.087, next key level to watch very closely is going to be right up there at the 10-cent mark. So 10 cents remains that overarching level. But as of now, before I really put any focus or any attention on the 10-cent mark, the price first needs to prove itself by getting back above 0.087. As far as areas of support are concerned now, some more relevant levels now that that initial level had been broken. So let's get this move down here. Next key level to watch very closely going to be right down there at the 0.075 mark. So 0.075, next important level of support going forward. But yeah, overall today, not the greatest of days, but like I said, could have been worse. So we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.